सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परा. Page 342, verse 291. कृतकृत्यतया तृप्तः प्राप्यतया पुनः तृप्यन्नेवं स्वमनसा मन्यते सौ निरन्तरम्. As a seeker of moksha, before I was coming to Shastra study, I was living in the world as a normal human being with so many interactions and sufferings also. While I was suffering physically, mentally, with so many limitations, insecurities, I was seeking for happiness, security. That seeking brought me to the Shastra, even though we do not know explicitly. Seeking, going to teacher, these terms and all we may not know. But internally there is a search for peace. Internally. The quest, we call it as a quest, searching or a quest going on inside. When that quest is there, naturally you land, you enter that place what you are searching for. Once you come to that place, that is where that internal peace is available, you come and feel that yes, this is the place where I can get peace and freedom from suffering. Then you continue slowly the Shastra study, not knowing much. This Shastra giving security, peace, we do not know. Just we come, we feel some peace. Then slowly I start listening. I get more clarity, really what I am searching for, exactly what is happening in my personality, how this Shastra touching my personality. We come to know very much later. In spite of studying Shastra, we cannot know that much easily what exactly Shastra doing, Shastra study doing for me. We cannot know. We know only some solace, some peace we are getting. It is nice to go and sit there. With that intention only we come. After some time, very much later, only we come to know, I have come to a right place, I have taken a right decision and I am doing a good job studying Shastra. Then you are appreciating yourself. Very nice thing I have done. Then I slowly realize that I am seeing my real nature, understanding my real nature. Gradually I recognize the truth. Very, very slowly I recognize my truth with all my limitations. Physical level limitations, mental level limitations, intellectual level, of course, many limitations. I managed to understand the Shastra. After length of time, what I recognize, I need not struggle for anything in this world. Even I need not have an anxiety for moksha also. Before coming to Shastra, my anxiety only for peace. Anxiety to get peace. After coming to the class, I remove that anxiety for peace. If I go and skip and sit there in the class, just I drop my body in the class, class will take care of my peace. Therefore my anxiety has been dropped. Then after coming here, another anxiety starts in the initial stages. What is that anxiety? When am I going to get moksha? So many sadhanas, Upanishad, Shastra is talking. I am lacking all these sadhanas. When am I going to do all these sadhanas? When am I going to get that moksha? This also continues for some time, this anxiety. In the initial study time, when am I going to get moksha? Moksha is a sadhyam. I want to get. That anxiety after coming to class. And what are the sadhanas I have to do? And Shastra and Guru always hammering sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, karma yoga, upasana yoga, ashtanga yoga. Are you having these qualifications? Whenever the sadhanas comes, I feel so anxious. That anxiety continues for some time after coming to Shastra also. Once I totally dwell in Shastra deeply, consistently for a length of time, after many years, then that anxiety also comes down. Because Guru and Shastra says, Guru used the words of Shastra, my dear Sishya, you are Nitya Muktaha Atma Swarupam, you need not get moksha, you are already Muktaha. Your moksha swarupam is nityam, you need not get it. Then your anxiety slowly comes down. Sadhya moksha, you recognize it is siddha moksha swarupam atma aham. I was atma, I am atma, I ever will be atma. I can never miss my atma swarupam. I was mistaking myself as something else. Now, by my Guru's grace, Shastra grace, I have come to know I am Nitya Muktaha. Anxiety number 1 dropped. Moksha Vishaye Sadhya Buddhi dropped. Moksha as a sadhyam, as a goal, as to accomplish, that anxiety has gone. Since moksha is not a goal, it is not a sadhyam, sadhana buddhi, that sadhanas to be practiced, I have to acquire this qualification, I have to acquire that qualification, I have to study this text, all these anxieties totally gone. Anxiety number 2 also dropped. Anxiety number 1 is moksha as sadhyam is anxiety number 1. Anxiety number 2 is to attain that moksha, sadhanas to be acquired. Therefore, let me follow so many sadhanas, other anxiety. These 2 anxieties, the day you dropped, you are brahmanishtaha ityarthaha. The anxiety totally it has to become nil. Kritakrityata, that is called Kritakrityata. I need not do anything for moksha. Now I have recognized. This is what I am ever Atma Swarupam. Body is not my Swarupam. Through this body, mind, I have recognized my real nature. Previously, I was taking myself as body, mind. I was searching for Atma. See the difference. Previously, I took myself as body, mind. I was searching for Atma, moksha and all. Now, place is reversed. Now, I am Atma. I am Sakshi Chaitanyam. In this incidental body-mind complex, I am blessing this inert body-mind. I am Sat Chit in every object, Nama Rupa, I am there. So this is called kritakrityata. Prapta prapyam. He says, prapta prapyataya punaha kritakrityataya truptaha. Truptaha. So much satisfaction. Kurai ondrum illai. You remember the puri. Once you put the puri, until it bulge, moves round. Sabdam also it does. Such called anxiety. So, you sabdam vandende irukum. Enna that eeram irukum adlo. And the maavula eeram, and the wetness. As long as the wetness, raga dvesha wetness is there, then an example. Raga dvesha is called wetness. And the wetness is there, the raga dvesha, and the swing anxiety sabdam vandende irukum. Once that raga dvesha gone, and the sound also will go away, and the round also moving or around also will be over. Purnaha, aham purnaha asmi. That is called kritakrityata. Nothing is there to accomplish. I am everywhere in everything, whatever accomplishment going or anywhere, that is my accomplishment. If I take myself only one body, one intellect, so many limitations. If I take myself as everything, Sarvatma Bhava is there, I am in everybody, in every body, then what? I am appreciating my glory in everything, in everyone. Then what am I lacking? Tell me. Can I miss anything in the world? Whatever is there in the world, in whatever form, in whom it is there, it is mine only. As Atma, I am in all of them. This is called Sarvatma Bhava. How content Trupti comes otherwise? It is not just Trupti when we use certain food items, Trupti comes. When vair full irundha Trupti varum. Nilla daham pochana Trupti varum. Ida Trupti enna. Adi vandu Vishaya Trupti. Vishaya Trupti, we are not talking about that Trupti. Here Trupti means, Truptaha means Aham Atma, Swarupa Atma Aham Asmi. The Trupti is not a born Trupti, it is not a genuine. I recognize my Trupta Swarupam. Atma, another name is Truptaha. There is no Atrupti in Atma. Since I am Atma, which is Trupta Swarupam, there is no place for Atrupti at all. Even if at all Atrupti comes in the mind, I watch that Atrupti of the mind as Sakshi Chaitanyam. Swamini, after Jnanam also some Atrupti comes in. Yes, it comes. But you recognize that Atrupti in the mind happening because of some vasana. Purva Janma vasana, it is happening in the mind. You just objectify that. That Atrupti or any sort of raga, dvesha, anything happening in the mind, some limitations, you neighborize that. You disidentify with that. You objectify that. You will never identify with that if it happens even. Either kama, either raga or dvesha, anything for that matter, krodha. That vrittis, you watch them as sakshitaya. I am the witnesser. I am seeing the limitations of the mind. Like in the neighbor's house, some problem is going on, you watch. Like that you watch your mind. Oh, it is your poor problem. You are all having already, I know about you. Suffer can sometime. You just distance the mind. You distance the mind. This is called mukti. That's why Jnani never worry about the mind. Which mind has got? Even Jnani mind also undergoes certain upheavals. It is the nature of the mind. But Jnani never identify with that mind. Remember, moksha means not a total pure mind. Totally pure mind doesn't exist. A mind without raga, dvesha, cent%, you never see such a mind. Even Jnani mind also. That is called freedom. Previously I was identifying with that mind. I was taking myself that problems with adhyasa, because of adhyasa. Now no more adhyasa. I am not going to identify, but I watch it like a movie. Now whole world is like a movie. This is called kritakrityata. Prapta prapyataya. Punaha. Trupyan evam. Trupyan san swamanasa asau nirantaram manyate. That jnani continuously inside entertain the following thoughts. Of course he sings. It is like the song of a jnani. Now we are going to listen to that song sung by the jnani. If you are also a jnani, imagine you are entering to a music hall now. Music hall. And musician is singing. Audience are sitting. Here jnani musician on the stage. Imagine there are many jnanis. If you want to sit in audience or you want to come to the dais, you decide now. Okay, mentally. You decide now. Whether you want to sit in audience like a jnani, you want to listen the jnani's song, or you want to come to the dais and sing along with the jnani. Because I am also a jnani, I join in the choir, music choir program. I join with them, that jnani singer, and I sing. Ahamannam, ahamannam, ahamannam. Ahamannado, hamannado, hamannadah. Ahagga shloka krit, ahagga shloka krit, ahagga shloka krit. Jnani singing. I am everything in this universe. I am the adhishtanam. Taittiriya Upanishad. Bhruguvalli. Then Sikshavalli also we saw. Aham rikshasya reriva. Kirtih prishtham gireriva. Urdhva pavitro vajiniva svamrutamasmi. Dravina gumsavarchasam. I am everything. Now let us come and join. I hope all of you come to the stage dais and sing along with the jnani. Okay, we'll read. Now therefore singing tune is a different tune normally, not like a sloka. And the jnani is singing, he never bother about the meter, letters, chandas and all. Okay, humming, singing the glory, how fortunate I am. Dhanyoham, dhanyoham. Nityam swatmana manjasa vidmi. Dhanyoham, dhanyoham. Brahmanando vibhati me spashtam. The way you are all singing, I feel you are on the dais. If you are singing from the dais, means you are a jnani. I feel that the vibration coming like that, the way you are singing. I enjoy that vibration. Okay. Dhanyaha aham asmi. Asmi you have to supply. Aham dhanyaha asmi. Dhanati iti dhanam. Dhanyaha means fortunate one. I am dhanyaha. Tadhitantam. Dhan dhatu. Dhanyaha is tadhitantam. Dhan means to produce. To produce. Dhanam asya asti iti dhani. The one who is fortunate. The fortunate one. Dhani. Dhanyaha. I am fortunate one. So fortunate one I am. Why he sings in this manner? Nityam swatmanam anjasa vidmi. Nityam. All the time. all the time. Nityam Swatmanam Swa Atmanam Swasya Atmanam, my own self, Atma Swarupam, Anjasa Aparokshataya, directly with me, I know, I constantly, directly know my Atma Swarupam. The directly is very important. I never know Atma as an object, but I know Atma as me, this subject. Therefore, Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham, that repetition shows that Prachuryarthe, that repetition comes. The glory, wonder, it shows Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham, Ahamasmi. Aham Dhanyosmi, Aham Dhanyosmi. Why? Brahmanandaha me spashtam vibhati. Brahmanandaha Ananda Swarupam Brahma Aham. Brahmanandaha spashtam vibhati. Clearly spashtam, like crystal clear. Vibhati, evident to me. Brahmananda, I am Atma, the Brahman. That Brahman Ananda Swarupam, I know that. That Bimbananda, Swarupa Ananda, ever the Ananda, it is not a Koshananda, it is not a Vishayananda, it is not a Parichinna Ananda, Savikara Ananda, but it is Nirvikara, Aparichinna, Swarupa, Bimba, Avishaya, Ananda. My Swarupam. Brahmanaha Anandaha Brahmanandaha. Brahman nature itself is Ananda. Here, Raho Shiravat, we should not take Brahman's Ananda. Brahman's Ananda Shashti, that meaning we should not take. Brahman's Ananda, it belongs to Brahman Naidu. Raho Shiravat, Brahman eva Anandaha, Anandaha eva Brahma, that Anandam Brahma Aham Asmi. Aham Asmi. Spashtam Vibhati. It is evident to me, Vibhati, evident to me. Fortunate indeed I am. Atmananda is very clear to me. All adhyasas I have gone, therefore I am so fortunate. Spashtam. It is avyayam. Spashtam is avyayam, indeclinable word. Adverbial usage qualifying vibhati. Spashtam vibhati. Again, 293. Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham. Dukkham samsarikam na bhikshedyam. Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham. Swasya jnanam palayitam kwapi. Aham dhanyaha asmi. I am so fortunate. I am so fortunate. This knowledge, what I have received, that gives me so much joy, because dukkham samsarikam na vikshe adya. Adya, now, here, today in Panchadashi class, adya, now, samsarikam, that anujvara, samsarikam means what? Superimposing the bodily problems, biological problems upon me is not there. That anujvara is not there. Jvara may be there to the body, but I will not allow that jvara to become anujvara. If I take that jvara of the body, mind as mine, it belongs to me, it is called anujvara. Adhyasa, superimposing the bodily jvara. Jvaram means here, I am punyavan, papavan, I have sanchita, agami, all this bhavana is called anujvara. If they are there, limitation at the body level, jvara, doesn't matter. Jvara you cannot avoid. Anujvara you can avoid. Anujvara is because of identification in the mind. This is enlightened mind, therefore no Anujvara. Samsarikam means Anujvaram. Na vikshe, I am not seeing that nowadays. I am not seeing. What is that? Samsarikam dukkham. Dukkham is not coming now for me. I act. To get dukkham, I have to act. I know I am acting. Nobody knows I am acting. Really I act. Very naturally I act. Nobody knows I am acting. That's why I am getting claps also. Na choraharyam, na charajaharyam, na bhatrubhajyam, na cha bharakari. Jnanam always is with you only. Na choraharyam, the jnanam, whatever you have, cannot be stolen by anyone, any thief. Na choraharyam. If you have dhanam with you, wealth, money, gold, they will come and steal. But your knowledge, can they do that? Na choraharyam. Na rajaharyam, you need not pay tax for that. If you have money, you have to pay the tax. If you don't pay the tax, CBI people will come to you. If you have extra money also at home, they will come and they ride. If you have knowledge, they will not come and ride. They will not ask you to pay the tax. Na rajaharyam, you need not pay the tax. Na bhratrubhajyam, if you have a lot of money, brothers, sisters, all will come. Enak good. What you can do with such much money? You don't require, so therefore you give to me. Like that they pull the money, they want that money. As long as you are having, they come and do cool, make you cool. Ice vechi. Ice vechana, they make you cool, and after getting money they won't talk to you. They jnanam, they cannot take. You cannot share also. Na bhratrubhajyam. Not only that, nacha bharakari. Jnanam is not a bharam. It is not a burden. The more you have wealth, property and all, it is a burden. But jnanam is not a burden. On the other hand, vardhata eva nityam. The more you share, vyaye krite, the more you spend, the more you give to others, jnanam, vyaye krite, vardhata eva nityam. It increases more and more. The more you give knowledge, your knowledge increases. Vardhata eva nityam tasmat vidyadhanam sarvadhanat pradhanam. Vidyadhanam, jnanadhanam is sarvadhanat pradhanam, is the best wealth than anything else in the world. Therefore, become a richest person. What? Richest person? Atma Jnanam. Now you are all richest or not? Karodpatis or not? How can a Karodpati stand in front of us now? I am a Bhupati now. Bhupati anna theriyumilla. I am the ruler of this earth. Is it true or not? As Atma, I am the Bhupati. As the Adhishtanam of this entire creation, I am the Bhupati, not Karodpati. Karodpati, 1 crore, 2 crores, 3 crores, all crores are me only. They belong to me only. Kaun banega Karodpati na? Kaun banega Karodpati? Banega illa. Now already I became Karodpati. Where is the question of banega? Future tense. Dhanyaha aham. Dhanyoham swasya ajnanam palayitam kwapi. I do not know where this ajnanam has gone. I am searching, but I am not able to find. Enga poche theriliye, poye poche. Then anasina. Anasin pota. Poye poche, talavali poye poche, enga poche pan. Adi madri. Kwapi palayitam. Where it has gone? Enga poche theriliye. That is what Jnani is singing. Kwapi palayitam swasya ajnanam. This ajnanam he has gone, this Ajnani's Ajnanam has gone, this person is an enlightened person, aham, enlightened person, I am enlightened, therefore I am lightened person. Dhanyaha asmi. 294. Dhanyoham dhanyoham kartavyam mena vidyate kinchite. Dhanyoham dhanyoham praptavyam sarvamadya sampannam. From this 291 onwards up to 297, next page, the whole song, beautiful, nice song. What raga? Ananda Bhairavi. Ananda Bhairavi raga. Okay. Chumma cholre. Don't think it is Ananda Bhairavi. Na cholre. Ananda Bhairavi raga. And the 291 first line, Kritakrityataya truptaha prapta prapyataya truptaha punaha, is again here repeated in this 294. Dhanyoham aham dhanyaha asmi. Again, dhanyoham aham dhanyaha asmi. I am fortunate. Why? He gives the reason. Me kinchit kartavyam na vidyate. There is nothing for me to do anything. Kinchit. There is nothing for me to do, to accomplish, to achieve. And the doing and sonnale, enna pannanum, what to do, how to do, where to do, how to, all this tension, anxiety. There is nothing to do, what to do? There is nothing to do, what to do? Hey, you need not do anything. There is no doing. Is there knowing? Knowing also not there. Then what? Truptaha. Nothing. When doing is there means tension. Nimmadi ungal choice. Kinchit na vidyate kartavyam. Kartavyam means duty, responsibility. So lot of duties are there, Swamini. My daughter's marriage, my son's marriage. That is ahankara's job, not your job. Now you are on the dais. If you are in the audience side, okay, kartavyam asti. If you are on the dais, you are with the jnani, you have to join with that raga. Ange poi mukhari paadakudadu. When you are on the dais, jnani is singing Ananda Bhairavi, audience are singing mukhari. No, you want to sing mukhari enna theriyumillo. Aludum in the mukhari ragam varum. Ajnanis are all singing mukhari ragam. So don't miss the even apashruti varakudadu. Mukhari raga swara and the sign kuda varakudadu idla Ananda Bhairavila. Gnapakam vechukongo. Kinchit na vidyate. Enna vare music illiyo. Adukku da and ragam perilla solren. Okay. Dhanyoham. Repeated this varanga ethana vaati dhanyona. How fortunate I am. Dhanyaha aham. I don't have any anatma problems. Praptavyam sarva madhya sampannam. That which has to be gained, praptavyam sarvam, to be gained whatever is there in the world, praptavyam sarvam, adya sampannam. I have gained whatever has to be gained after 7th chapter Panchadashi, adya. Solikalam. Okay. Adya. So, enna orchestra paarunga enakku, beautiful orchestra. What a music. First, I was traveling to Bombay long before, nearly 30 years back. I was traveling to Bombay in the train. I am carrying this book, Panchadashi, and I was reading these slokas at that time, and I was reveling while traveling, while I am reading these slokas. What a beautiful status of Jnani's mind. Now, When I read again all these slokas, I am recollecting that. Dhanyoham praptavyam sarvam adya sampannam. Sampannam means sampaditam. I have gained. I have attained. Whatever has to be gained, I have gained. There is nothing left over to be gained. After Purnatma Atma, whatever is there, everything is Anatma. Anatma is Mithya. It is as good as not Purnam, Apurnam. Who wants that Apurnam? When I am having this Purnata. Therefore, Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham. Truptirme kopama bhave loke. Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham. Dhanyo, Dhanyah, Punah, Punar, Dhanyah. Vidyaranya enjoying. Because of that Bimbananda, only every Pratibimbananda, Priya, Moda, Pramoda, the happiest Vishyananda is surviving. Because of me, the Brahmananda, every Ananda, whatever Ananda is born of any object, my Ananda reflection only, that is. Once you got this clarity, any Ananda, dance Ananda, music Ananda, food Ananda, sweet Ananda, sari Ananda, house Ananda, any Ananda is nothing but reflection. When you go to a glass house, those temples, they are having glass house. They open once in a while, that glass house. We used to go in our place, native place. Every temple used to have glass house. How many have gone to your glass house? Raise your hand. Not all. If you have not gone, please go to that glass house. Mirror, Kannadi Mahal. Kannadi Mahal. அது ஒரு கண்ணாடி மஹல். பகவான் ஊஞ்சல் இருக்கும் மிடில். அந்த ஊஞ்சல்ல பகவான் அப்படியே டோலாயமானம் மாதிரி. So if you enter inside that, your reflections you can see everywhere. If you have not gone, Madras, which temple is having that? Kapalishwara temple? Parthasarathi temple. Immediately those who have not gone, go to that Parthasarathi temple and all of you go together if you want also. In a single person open panna maata. Adukku enna permission nammo theriyadu enakku inge maatram theriyala. Those days they used to open like that. Parthasarathi temple care of. All of you go where you have not gone. So I like to go now also if they allow me. So once you go there, you see all the reflections of yours. Similarly, for Jnani, the entire world is like a Kannadi Mahal, glass Mahal. Here, everywhere, wherever I see Sat, 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 Sat. That is my real nature. Ananda, Ananda, Ananda. In everywhere, Priya, Moda, Pramoda, reflection, Anandas are all my reflections only. Chit, in every living being, the sentiency, wherever I see, I am there. Mosquito, rat, cat, all of them, everywhere I am there. That is why the whole world is like a Kannadi. For whom? For the person who is sitting on the dais. Jnani is not sitting, he is standing and dancing and singing. Now this new choir musics and all, they stand and sing, keep holding the mic like super singers madri. Super singers, they won't sit and sing. They have to dance and put steps to that song also. Like that we are all super singers. Now, yes or no? We are all super most singers. Okay. Who is going to give prize? Who are there to give prize? We give prize to them. Okay. Dhanyoham me truptihi loke ka upama bhavet. See, for my trupti, me truptihi loke, in this world, ka upama bhavet. Where is the comparison? some comparison, my trupti is like this, my trupti is like this, my satisfaction compared to. Jnani says, my trupti, I want to tell all of you, my trupti is like this. Hey, to say to like this, there is no comparison object. It is incomparable. There is no second thing to compare. Ka upama asti? Is there a comparison? Thing, second thing to compare my trupti with that? Ka upama asti? It is not prashnartham, it is aksheparthe. Ka upama, there is no comparison at all. That means this type of trupti, it is nowhere available except it is me. Ke ka upama bhavet, bhavet vidhiling. What will be the bhavet vidhiling? What can be that comparison available in the world? To compare my trupti, there is no comparison. That's why my Ananda trupti is, it excels. Incomparable, it excels. Dhanyoham, dhanyoham. Therefore I am dhanyaha, fortunate, blessed I am. Dhanyaha, dhanyaha, punaha, punaha, dhanyaha. Again I want to say I am dhanyaha. Aho punyam, aho punyam. Phalitam, phalitam dridham. Asya punyasya sampatteraho. Vayamaho vayam. Now this shloka about Atma Kripa. Next shloka about Shastra Kripa and Guru Kripa. So 3 types of Kripas he is remembering. Jnani remembering Aho Punyam, what a Punyam, what a merit I have done in my previous Janma Punyam. It has come to fructification today. How fortune, my Punyam brought me to Mylapore club. People think Mylapore club, enna class, vandu paaru. Where you are sitting is not the question. How you are understanding is the question. Understand? Even though you sit in the temple, or you look at the other person wearing jewels and all, temple la da irukom, ana manas enga irukke? Therefore, where you are not the question, what you are wearing the dress is not the question. So, making the place holy, making this body holy depends upon your thought, cognition. Cognitive change is important. Clear? So nice. See? Punyaha, what a punyam I have done. He is praising himself. Jnani is praising his own punya. Enna punyam pandirkano. Enna punyam pandirkano solran. What a luck. What a luck. Aho punyam, wonder. Aho means wonder. Wonderstruck. Great. Punyam. Phalitam dridham. Phalitam dridham. Punyam phalitam. My punyam is phalita, means phalgutayam. Phalgutaya liyate, fructified. My punyam fructified. My punyam has come to that zenith. Ada palam வந்து இந்த காயை வந்து பழம் ஆகணும்னு சொல்லுவார். அதுக்கப்புறம் வேற இன்னும் பழம் ஆகுமா? After ripening, there is no further to ripen. It is ripened to enjoy. Now Jnani is enjoying that punya phalam. What is that? Atmananda, Jnanananda, Brahmananda phalam. Phalam, punya phalitam. Punyam phalitam. One sentence. Punyam phalitam you have to take. Again punyam. Punyam dridham phalitam. My punyam dridham phalitam. Totally ripened. My punyam is ripened. My punyam totally ripened. There is no baki. That no baki at all, though no reminder, seshame kadayadu, fully ripened. fully ripened ஆகவன் எப்படி இருக்கும்? இவ்வளவு 7th chapter, how many slokas? Rabbo Rab, he is just brainwashed us like anything. What is that Brihadaranyaka mantra? That whole mantra he has just elaborated in 297 verses. வராமலே எப்படி போகும் ஞானம்? இது கூட வரலன்னா அது ரொம்ப கிரேட்னு அர்த்தம். அதுதான் எவ்ரி ஸ்லோகா இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், மிஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது. That is why CDs are available. If you have not completed the classes fully, you can get the CDs and listen again to sing what? Dhanyoham, Dhanyoham. If you are in audience now, if you are an audience, listen to the CD and climb the stage under the dais. Okay. Phalitam dridam punyam phalitam punyam phalitam punyam dridam phalitam asya punyasya sampattehe aho vayam asya punyasya, of this merit, of this punya, this sampat, who is the owner? Vayamaho, I am the owner of this punya phalam. I am the owner of this punya phalam, atma jnana phalam. I am the owner. He is glorifying his own atma krupa. This is atma krupa, means your own effort, your own punya brought you here. Therefore he says, Vayamaho, wonderful I am, wonderful we are. See, group of jnanis are singing. Okay. Vayamaho, you understand Vidyaranya's intention? All Panchadashi students joined with me. That's why he don't want to say ahamaho and chalala. Vayamaho, he is positive, thinking positively. All students are joining with him. Vayamaho, since I have acquired this punyam and punya phalam, janma bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate. Krishna said bahunam janmanam. So aho shastram aho guruhu aho jnanam aho sukham. Now my punya to fructify, who is the cause? How my punya can fructify? Just by itself cannot it fructify. There are two powerful magnets are there, Shastram and Guru. These two magnets attracted me, and I am so much associated with the Shastra and Guru because of that. Therefore, I am so grateful to my Guru also to recognize my fortune and to see my merit to fructify. The Shastra is really wonderful, who made me this Truptaha status which has given to me. Therefore Shastram also wonderful. Aho Shastram, Shastram Shasanat Trayate it Shastram. Really it has protected me from this samsara. Aho Shastram, Shastra has protected me, and therefore it is so great Shastram, so great wonderful Shastram. Shastra by itself cannot unfold by itself. I cannot understand without my Guru. Therefore, because of my Guru, I am able to understand the Shastra. Therefore, aho guruhu. My Guru is also wonderful. My Guru is also so great. Otherwise, how can I get this knowledge? How fortunate I am to get such a Guru. How fortunate to have a Shastram opened, unfolded by my Guru. Therefore, my Atma Krupa is also wonderful. My Shastra Krupa towards me also wonderful. My Guru Krupa towards me also wonderful. So great. Aho Gnanam. Because of my Atma Kripa, because of my Shastra Kripa, because of my Guru Kripa, I have got Jnanam. What is Jnanam? Great Jnanam, wonderful Jnanam, Aho Jnanam. What is knowledge? Knowledge indeed, great knowledge. Trupti is indeed great. Sukham aho, sukham aho. Aho sukham. What a great sukham is this? I was searching for, and the dog, even you take near the ocean, it licks. And licking only. And the licking buddhi, pochipo. I need not search for happiness for minute, simple things. Aham truptaha purnaha aham asmi. Aho sukham, aho sukham. This sukham will never go away. It cannot go. Why? It cannot go. Where it can go? Where it can go? Because it is all pervading. Atma is the sukha swarupam. Atma is all pervading. Sukha is all pervading. Atmananda. Where it can go? Poumayanu problem illa ipo. போயிடுமோ கவலை கிடையாது. புரியுறதா? சுவாமினி இது இந்த சுகம் குறையுமோ? குறையாது. It will not be reduced, it cannot be reduced. Fortunately. Such a sukham. By Guru Kripa, Shastra Kripa, Atma Kripa, I have attained. Therefore, aho, what a great wonder really this. Whoever study and understand this chapter, they are all truptaha. Last verse, next page, 298. Truptirdipamimam nityam yenu sandadhate budhaha ब्रह्मानंदे निमज्जन्तः ते तृप्यन्ति निरन्तरम्. आहा. ये बुधाहा. Who are those wise people? ये बुधाहा नित्यम इमं तृप्ति दीपम नित्यम अनुसंधदते. इमं तृप्ति दीपम. दिस चैप्टर नंबर 7 of पंचदशी तृप्ति दीप प्रकरणम. इमं तृप्ति दीपम. तृप्ति ही नाम दीपः. तृप्ति दीपः मध्यम पद लोप समास. तृप्ति दीपम Anusandhanate. Every day they do anusandhanam, remembering that nature. Atmanam chet kena vijaniyat ahamasmiti purushaha. That Atma, ahamasmi, whole chapter you have to remember. Either you by heart or you remember. It is your choice. You have to see the first shloka of 7th chapter, how much he took pains to teach this. We should not take it as just casually. Atmanam chet vijaniyat ayamasmiti purushaha kimichan kasya kamaya sarira manusanjavaret. 297 shlokas. Last shloka, first shloka, you remove how many? 296 shlokas. One Brihadaranyaka mantra, 296 slokas. And Sapta Bhumikas he explained. Trupti Deepam, Truptehe Deepam, Trupti Deepam, the revealer of Trupti. Sashti Tatpurusha, if you take Truptehe Deepaha, Trupti Deepaha. That means the revealer of Trupti. The knowledge which reveals the Trupti is called Trupti Deepaha. Deepam means Jnanam. Jnanam, Deepam represents brightness. Brightness represents knowledge. Knowledge represents Jnanam. Jnanam is that which reveals your Trupti Swarupam, Atma Swarupam. Deepam is the light. Dividhatulandi Deepam has come. Consciousness. Your consciousness swarupam itself is a trupti swarupam. Therefore, trupti deepam imam nityam. Every day Parayanam. Now, Skanda Shashti, Anda Parayana, Inda Parayana, Panchadashi students Tevaya, Jalsolungo Ninga. Skanda Shashti, other chantings, Narayaniyam, Tirukural, Tirupave, Tiruvambave, Tiruvachakam, Tirumandiram, all are meant to come to this class. After coming to the class also, if I spend my energy only for that, you can spend, but not to get fulfillment. Not for fulfillment. You just share with others, you enjoy, that is different thing. But இது விட்டுட்டு அதுல முனக கூடாது. அதுதான் சொல்றோம். திருப்தி தீபம் அனுசந்தததே பிரம்மானந்தே நிமஜ்ஜந்தஹ, merging, dive deep into that brahmananda, nirantaram prupyanti, nirantaram, nirgatam antaram yasmat, without any break, nirantaram, continuously, nirantaram trupyanti, they enjoy that trupti. With this commentary on trupti over. Commentary on trupti, that is the last word, seventh stage. Trupti is the last, no? That's why commentary on Sapta Bhumikala, Saptama stage over. Trupti commentary is over. Therefore, the one who studies Trupti Deepa Prakaranam and remembers also, Maraka Kudad, Durjanaha Sajjano Bhuyat. There is a nice sloka. Durjanaha Sajjano Bhuyat. From animal man to Durjanaha, Durguna, Sajjanaha Bhuyat. First we have to become a good person. Bad to good. Daivi Sampat. Asuri Sampati to Daivi Sampati. Then Sajjanaha Shanti Mapnuyat. Sajjanaha, the noble person, good person, must attain the Shanti, peace. Shanto Mucheta Bandhebhyaha. After becoming Shantaha, mind is so tranquil, calm and quiet. Mucheta Bandhebhyaha. Shantaha means what? Mano Nigraha. The once you have got that mind control, you will be free from Mucheta Bandhebhyaha. Muktaha Anyan Vimochayet. The one who is liberated must liberate others. The one who is liberated must liberate others. Durjano Sajjano Bhuyat Sajjana Shanti Mapnuyat Santo Mucheta Bandhebhyaha Muktah Anyan Vimochayet. That's why you have to kindle the knowledge in others. You have to attain and you have to kindle in others as much as possible. With this 7th chapter, Trupti Deepa Prakaranam is over. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.